In this video, we'll be translating verbal and algebraic expressions and equations. The reason why this is a helpful skill to have is it allows us to read an equation or an expression and to interpret the order of operations that occurs within it. Now we can start off at a basic level and do a number increased by 4, and increased by means you're adding, so x plus 4. And that's pretty basic, but I like the second example, the twice the cube of a number. And the reason why this is a good example is that one, it allows you to see that twice means 2 times, and the cube of a number means x cubed. Now, if we're to look at this expression, the common error that occurs from students when they see this as is to think I need to take 2 times x and then cube it. But that doesn't follow the order of operations. The cube is attached to the base of x. So you would do x cubed first and then multiply by 2. And we can see that in the expression twice the cube of a number. So even the way we should read it and translate it, do the cube of a number first and then multiply by 2. The square of a number, so let's do x squared, decreased by, so x squared minus the cube of the same number. So I'm going to use the same variable, x cubed. The last one, 3 times the sum. So I know I'm going to add the next 2 that I see of a number and 6. Now this is a good example because you're going to have to take x plus 6, but this whole expression needs to be multiplied by 3. So in order to multiply the whole expression by 3, it needs to go inside of a parentheses. So that's translating expressions. The next set is translating equations. Now, when you're translating equations, there's really not much of a difference. Just you need to understand what an equal sign is represented by. And their phrases like is equal to, the same as, is. So 9 is equal to 5 plus 4. 9 equals 5 plus 4. A number, x, is decreased by, so minus 6 is negative 3, so x minus 6 equals negative 3. Now be careful here, for when you're doing divided by, get used to writing it as a fraction and not using your division symbol. So a number divided by 3 means x over 3 is equal to 3/4. So the key for translating is to understand that it helps us see the order of operations. It helps us know how to read the equations, the expressions in our mind.